With me Nadia again, and this time I'm gonna share 3 more fun games in Jamboard. Number 1 is Anagram, second one is Wordsearch, and the third one is Scrabble. And all of these games can be played not only with children but also with adults and teenagers. Let's check them out. Let's see. We have 4 groups with 2 people each. This one is Gauri and Mika. Wah, they already finished 4.
What is head? Head fall tree. Oh, head travel the world. Is it? Oh,
Yeah.
travel the world. Oh my god, I'm so clever. What? Thank you, man.
Yeah, you are so
Travel
clever.
the
Yeah,
world.
travel the world, right? Woo.
Settle down.
Can you
Settle.
STEEL.
Settle.
Settle down.
How about you, Mika? Which path would you consider? Would you start a family first, or chasing your career first, or doing it at the same time?
Think career first.
So
Because if you don't have a career and start a family soon, how are you gonna raise the kids, like paying the bills?
Yes.
If you don't have a career.
You're very logical and realistic, yeah. Here we have a lot of words, okay. So you can see all of the words are actually the pictures here. So when you find one, you cross it like this, yeah. Example, this one. Ta-da! Okay?
I found bed.
Circle the bed. Yay! Miss Nadia will choose a word. For example, bed. And then we take turns to spell the word. For example, I say B.
I want bed.
Bed, yeah. But we have to spell it together. We take turns. So me first, B. And then you? After B, it's?
E.
D. After D, finish, right? So you say stop. Like that. Okay? Okay. But we don't want to cheat, yes? So we have to do this first, so you can look at the word. Let's close all the word first.
Okay, now I choose.
Okay.
Wolf.
Wolf? Okay, wolf, yes. I will cross the wolf first. Okay, you first.
W.
O.
O.
F. You can write down.
In Scrabble, students are divided into groups of 3 players. Each player is assigned different color of sticky notes. First, they take turns writing a word either horizontally or vertically, and then they need to count the letters, and the winner is the one with the most score. So here, this is the first group. You can see each player has made different words, and the winner is pink because he has the most letters. This one is group 2.